All right, we're celebrating so many things today. Of course, it is Fat Tuesday. This is when we get to bulk up before we go into Lent and Ash Wednesday, right?
Yes, absolutely. And it is also, today is the actual start of the Year of the Horse, Lunar New Year.
Yes, it's also Malasada Day. I had mine already.
You did?
I had my Leonard's Malasada, but I
Wow.
gotta tell you, Pipeline Bakery and Cafe. I don't know if you tried the one in Las Vegas.
I haven't tried either. There's one in Hawaii too?
Yeah, on Akapahulu, and I don't know what kind of magic they use in their malasada mix, but when you get them, it's crunchy.
Ooh.
When you bite into the malasada.
And then it gets soft on the inside.
Yes, and yeah, it's soft on the inside, but the next day, if you eat the whole dozen that day, you microwave them, and it's soft, like one fresh made malasada with the sugar intact.
There's magic in there.
It is, I don't know.
That's right. It is Lunar New Year as well. Gung Fachoy. And we just wanted to let you know that we're actually wearing cooler colors today because it's Year of the Horse. It's the Year of the Fire Horse, which is a lot of fire, a lot of energy. So to help calm ourselves into it, we have to come in calm. You see?
I'm always calm. She's the fiery one over here.
Such a liar. Such a liar.
All right, sis, okay, so as we get older, I think we're going to need all the luck we can get.
Why? What's the scoops, brother?
Well, I don't know. I don't want to make anyone panic, but you heard us talk about this at the top of the show. Word on the street is that Social Security is expected to run short on funds to pay retirement benefits by 2032.
What? Well,
2032.
Well, you know why, right? Because birth rates are falling.
Yeah, and
so there's not enough people putting into Social Security now for us buggers that are getting older soon.
And not to mention our kupuna are living longer.
Yes.
Hallelujah, that is awesome.
Yes.
And they're going to be collecting and drawing those benefits for many more years. So it's really putting a strain on the funds.
So kupuna are working longer past retirement age.
That means you get me for at least another 50 years, sis.
Okay, anyway.
And you're getting some laughs over here from Auntie Ipo and Auntie Janine over here.
Well, I tell you what, Kilei Lopez from AARP is going to be here. So we'll have to fact check your story coming up in about 30 minutes.
All right. I want to get your opinion on this next story, sis. Okay. There's this company on the continent, not over here. They hired a 25-year-old wahine fresh out of college for a managerial position.
Oh, wow. She must be a wonderful wahine, right? What's the scoops with this? What's the issue?
Well, the problem was they passed up a veteran employee who is also a wahine for that same position. So the new girl became the veteran's boss. And now the company is asking the older woman to train the newbie.
Ooh.
And she's like, I don't think so. What would you do?
I guess I would ask why. If I were that veteran employee, I would ask why this new person was chosen over me. Like, what were her qualifications or her experience above and beyond me?
And then on top of that, they're asking her
then to turn around and have me train her?
Train her replacement, possibly.
Yes,
You know what I
yes.
mean? That's interesting. Eh?
That is, that's for fight. That's for scrap, I tell you.
That is for scrap.
Now there is a wahine who is not a newbie that I follow on Instagram. Do you know Vegas Starfish on IG? Follow me for all the Vegas.
Yeah, the only reason I'm familiar is because I hear you talk about her.
Oh, no, well, she's awesome. She's got I want to say over 1 million followers for sure. And that's just on one of her platforms. Oh, wow. So I don't know what she has on TikTok, and I think it's higher.
Well,
she's awesome.
Okay, well, I've been meaning to check her page out the next time I go Vegas.
Yes, brother, you should. And you should also check your receipts while you're there, too.
Why? What's the scoops?
Well, okay, check this out. She posted a picture of a receipt from a recent concert goer that was blindsided by a hidden admin fee that spiked the bill to $180.
Oh, I saw this story. The guy bought 2 margaritas, which were $50 each, and also 2 bottles of water, which brought his bill to $150, which blew my mind. Just 4 drinks, $150. This is why Las Vegas tourism is slowing down.
Well, yes, and then the venue automatically added about $28 for gratuity.
Wait, but only had 2 of them. And don't they usually add gratuity when you get parties of 6 or more?
Wait, they also added an admin fee of $26 on top of that. Right?
So the whole bill was $180.
Yes. Crazy.
For 4 drinks.
Yes. and the admin thing. And I really love to follow her. She's got all the inside scoops. She talks about, in fact, she talks about a lot of Hawaii local businesses that are up there doing really good things. So, I would say definitely follow her and be on the lookout. Gotta be maka'ala about that kind of stuff.
Gotta check those receipts. Vegas Starfish.
Vegas Starfish.
On IG, all right.
Follow me for all the Vegas.
Well, let's discuss with you. What do you think about all these stories? Are you gonna check your receipt? Are you worried about Social Security and the fact that it might run out of money by 2032?
That's right. Well, let us know by sending an email at islandlifelive@kitv.com or just post a comment directly to this video on your YouTube page, on our YouTube page. Just search KITV.